An important legal document recently released in the Isle of Man's £90 million Lord Street case has just landed at Expose News, and it's here to download or view online for our readers. The court filing makes explosive claims about missing paperwork and tampered emails. You may have read our 2 previous court reports about the hearing, which took place earlier this month, on the 8th of August. The application, lodged by Sondica Group's lawyer, Victoria Unsworth, at the Isle of Man Courts of Justice, accuses the Department of Infrastructure and the Treasury of failing to disclose certain evidence over the past 6 years, despite a court ruling back in 2019 compelling them to do so. In legal terms, the application pulls no punches in its criticism of the IOM government. Paragraph 6 states, "It became immediately apparent that the first and second defendants, the DoI and the Treasury, had a significant number of documents missing from their list of documents that should have been included." Paragraph 7 goes further, saying, "It is unbelievable that these emails are not in the possession of the first and second defendants, given the email recipients, and further, have inadvertently been missed in the disclosure searches over the course of 6 years." In paragraph 9, the lawyer raises suspicions about accuracy, pointing out, "Not included in that list are emails which have a different timestamp on the claimant's copy of the email. It is unclear as to whether the disclosure list has not been accurately checked, or if there are other emails that are missing." And then comes the most damaging line, paragraph 12. "There are a number of emails that have clearly been tampered with by the first and/or second defendants as part of the overall disclosure process. The application demands those emails in their original form, with metadata, to show who allegedly tampered with them and when." Finally, Ms. Unsworth sums up, "Given the serious and persistent issues identified with disclosure, the claimant seeks an updated disclosure list and affidavits of compliance from both defendants, setting out how the disclosure exercise has been managed and by whom." The government's advocate, David Keats, pushed back, insisting, "We are doing the best we can to find these documents." He said some documents had already been disclosed, but others fell outside the parameters of the agreed search terms. The defendants deny allegations of corruption, malfeasance in public office, and negligent misstatement. But with these damning words now on the court record, the pressure is growing, and with £90 million at stake, taxpayers could be the ones paying the price. For more, head to Expose News.